Hello, I'm David Gerard and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, sometimes you know you're in the bubble. Atomarine is a hot new AI startup. It just got funding from Y Combinator. That's the important part. That was job number one. All it took was some AI pictures of ships on an AI-designed website. Saves time. But second is the business plan. Atomarine is going to put to sea in floating AI data centers, powered by nuclear reactors. What could go wrong? The founders are Emile Germonprez, who's working on his PhD in nuclear engineering, and Dimitris Koutentakis, who got an engineering degree but now brags of his 4 years at a hedge fund. Atomarine's plan is to build data centers in standard containers and put them on barges that just float out in the ocean, beyond all that tedious regulation, outside the environment. Why do they want to do data centers at sea? Well, it's too hard on land. It's very unpopular. Everyone hates data centers. But you can float the Atomarine data barge anywhere. Small modular reactors for commercial shipping don't exist. So until then, Atomarine is going to run on natural gas. This is a standard trick, by the way, from data center developers. They say they're totally doing a clean system, but they'll just run it on dirty power for the time being, like for years. The US Navy does have small reactors for ships. They exist. They work great, but the Navy doesn't have to worry about cost, and they can run on bomb-grade uranium because they're the military, and they can keep the atom bomb fuel secure because they're the military. Your barge floating in the ocean run by startup bros might be a little less secure. Atomarine brags it can deploy to anywhere in the world. But you know pirates exist, right? They're real. Security is not addressed on Atomarine's website. Also, there's 1 or 2 regulations about nuclear reactors anywhere on Earth. Anyone you want reactor fuel from will have a number of concerns they'll be quite firm about. There's other issues like cooling the AI rigs. Atomarine's launch site promises, quote, virtually free cooling from seawater, unquote. It's not like seawater's highly corrosive to work with. I'm sure their water-cooled NVIDIA rigs will cope with seawater just fine. Atomarine is floating all sorts of claims. Data centers 4 to 5 times as fast as on land. 1.5 gigawatts built out per year, starting some year. I really like the claimed 20 to 40 year lifespan. I guess that's the barges, because it sure isn't the data centers. Data centers in the oceans have been tried. It didn't work. They got the cooling from seawater, but maintenance and operation was a massive pain. Atomarine's data barges out in the ocean will also need good internet to serve the data. Starlink won't cut it. It didn't cut it for data centers in space. The best you can say about this idea is it's not quite as dumb as data centers in space. But you can say anything if it's forward-looking. And if you wrote your nuclear plan with Claude, move fast and irradiate things. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Please do forward this episode to everyone you know. Leave a nice review in your podcast app. Hit like and subscribe on YouTube. And drop your $5 into the Patreon linked in the show notes and get early access to Friday's interview with Molly White about AI money in US politics. Also, if you have suggestions for people I should interview, please send them in. Thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.